The next problem is pentagonal pyramid. A pentagonal pyramid having a sides of base 25 mm and 50 mm axis length. Let's construct this first. So how to construct pentagonal pyramid? So I will take line option. It's a 25 mm sides of base. Just draw 25 mm initial at an angle 0. So hope you know the construction of the pentagon first. Next is 25 at an angle 72. Why I am taking 72 is 360 divided by 5. Divided by 5 is because it is pentagon. 360 divided by 5, we will get 72. So I will enter 72 first. Next 25 length, enter 144 is the angle. 144 is because 72 plus 72, we have to go on adding 72 for the angle for the pentagon. Next is 25, add 72 for 144, it will come 216. Next it will be like this. Okay, so the angle is 72, this is 144, this is 216, and this is 288. Okay, so make it as visible. You see here how it rests. It rests on HP on one of its corner of the base. Okay, so let's rotate the corner. It resting on corner means this corner should come to the right side. So go to here, select this, rotate, select this point, rotation point. This is the center of rotation. Copy should be off. Just rotate it to 90 degrees. So move this one again. Copy should be off here. So comfortably I will move here. Next is, it's a pyramid. Now I have created a plane pyramid. How to construct the pyramid? Go to line, normal. See, from this point to this point, just midpoint, connect this. From all the points, just connect the midpoints. See, if you observe here, any two you can join, you can observe for the center point. Now from this to the center point. I will zoom this. Okay, so construction of the pyramid means, so trim these center lines, these lines. Okay, another point I have not connected here. From this point to this center point, from this point to this. Okay, so go to trim command. From corner, don't trim. Okay, these are the 5 edges. So select these points. I have to make it visible for the pyramid. So pentagonal pyramid looks like this when you see from the top side. So go to line again, make it normal, draw projection lines now. All these normal lines should be at 90 degrees. So now the height of the pyramid is 50 mm. So I will make visible line here. See, this is the axis point, center is the axis here. From the center point draw 30 degree. It should be center line, axis line should be center line. It's 50 degree, sorry, 50 length at an angle 90 degree. So we'll make, okay, select this, just make it visible. Accept this one. So go to line, so visible one from here. Connect to this one. Okay, so this point is not visible, only 4 points are visible in pentagon except these two. All three edges, all three corners are visible here. Okay, so go to text now. So it should be A. I will make it as, will reduce the size to 3.5. It is A, B, C, D and E. So this is O of O1. It is O dash here. This is A dash. B dash, in the bracket E dash. E is not visible here, that's why it is in the bracket here. C dash, D dash. Now it is in the bracket O dash. Okay. So next step is, it is inclined to, you can see the problem definition now. What it is inclined? One of the corner. Okay, when the axis of the pyramid is inclined, actually axis of the pyramid is inclined here. So go to move command. I will select this, copy should be on, select this and place it over here. So now go to rotation command, select this. So this, from this we'll make it as 40 inclination. So make it as 40. So if you measure the angle inclination here, just check it. So it become 50. So that means this is not 40 degree. So this should come 40 degree, right? I am making correction here. See the axis, this O1 dash should be inclined at 40 degree, right? So if you want 40-degree inclination means I have selected rotation from this point. This should be 50 degree, right? Rotation angle should be 50 degree. So now measure it. So go to extension next. Angle between axis to XY line should be 40 degree. So that means, so this angle is 90 degree. If you want this as 40 degree, you must give this as 50 degrees. So again, go to lines, projection lines I am drawing now. This is E. I will drop to E only. This is D. Up to here only it is enough. C. C is here. It is enough here. And B. B is here. I will drop to here. Okay. Next. See, this one is E is up to here. This line is E. So go to visible line. So I will join all the things from here to. So if you start from A, see this is A, B, here it is C, D, E. So pentagon now. This pentagonal pyramid, all the corners are connected to one of the apex. So you must learn which is the visible and which is not visible. See, if you see from the top view, so these points, the points which is nearer to XY line is not visible. The edges which is nearer to XY line. See, from A is on XY. The lines passing through A is not visible. It should be hidden. See, that's why I am selecting the lines connected to point A. These 3 points are connected to A here, which should be hidden. Nomenclate these things. It is O. This is the point A. B, it is C, D and E. Okay, next is, see, the problem is the axis of the pyramid is inclined to 40 degree. I have done the second position. Then the third, there is VP at 30 degree. Whenever the axis comes, axis inclination or median inclination, so we have to remember that is the beta angle problem. Okay, for beta angle problem, we need to measure the lengths. So this length is 50 degree, they have given. This length is 25 degree, they have given. So one more line I want to connect here from O point to point O. Okay, I want this measurement also. These lines from O it is 38.52. So this is beta angle problem. That's why I want this length. The next thing is 30-degree line I have to draw. So I will make so from here I will draw 30-degree. Okay, can measure the angle here. So next what I will do is I will take a point. So in the point section it should be, I will take 1.4. I will draw a small point here. Okay, so this is the point I have made. Then go to line. Draw 50 mm arc by center point. See, this is the center point I have to take. Radius should be 50 mm. This is the axis inclination. Axis length is 50. That's why I'm cutting the angle 50 here. Okay. So next what I do? So go to line again. See, from here intersection point I have to take. So I will zoom this. See, from intersection I will draw a line here. So then have to cut arc from this point 38.52. So go to arc by center point again. So this is the point. So cut a radius of 38.52. Then go to line. See, from this point just join these lines. Again you have to take intersection of this line. See, so measure this angle measurement, this line to this line, 40 degree. So 40 degree is the beta angle here. So next step is go to move command, select this, select the apex, place it over here at this point. Okay, this is the point here. Fine. Next, go to rotation command. Little bit mistake here. See, this A and this A is on the same line. The actual beta angle is 41 degree. I have got 40 degree here because of this mistake. You can see this point is exactly on this A. Now I will rotate this. So make this correction. Just have to move this. Next, select this. Select rotation. Select this. So this is the center point. This is the rotation. So just move it over this 40 new line. Do it carefully. I'm zooming this. So now go to selection. So this is what I'm going to select. See, this line is selected, which I don't want to rotate. Just I'm deselecting this and selecting this B. See, go to rotation command. See, this is the rotational point, this is the rotation line. I will rotate this through OB. Okay. So next is again projection lines. C and D here. It is C, B. So this is O point. See, O is comes under this line. Next, this is B and E. B is here, E is here. So this is O. Okay, next point is, take this over now. So go to visible line. See, first I will connect ABCD. You can see A here, the point, and B is here. There is C. So it is C here. This is D. This is E. So this comes to pentagonal pyramid. So now from apex point O, we need to connect all the edges. First I will connect all the edges, then I will make what are the hidden in this case O A dash and O E dash. First I will nomenclature this. I will give the name. It is O. This is B dash. this is A dash, this one is E, this one is D dash, and this is C dash. Okay, so in this case, away from this is C and B, or near to XY is E and A, which is hidden line. In this case, O dash C dash and O dash A dash are hidden line. Okay, so this is your pentagonal pyramid problem. So trim for neatness.